Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a store on Wix Studio. If you're looking to turn your website into a fully functional online shop, this process is surprisingly straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your store set up and ready to go. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, open your browser and head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything related to your website. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Site and Mobile App and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down selection with different options. From here, go ahead and click on Website. This step ensures you're working on the right project before making any changes. Now you'll be taken to a page where you can preview the current settings and layout of your website. Take a moment to make sure this is the website you actually want to add a store to, especially if you manage multiple sites under your Wix account. It's always a good idea to double check so you don't accidentally modify the wrong site. Once you've confirmed you're on the correct website, locate the Edit Site button. You'll find this at the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon, which makes it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix Studio website editor screen. This is where all the design and customization magic happens. On the left side of your screen, look for the Add Elements button in the navigation menu and click on it. This opens up a library of elements you can use to customize and enhance your Wix website, from text boxes to images and of course store features. From the Add Elements menu, scroll down and locate the Store option, then click on it. This is where things get exciting. You'll be presented with different store types that let you preview and display your products on your Wix website. You can choose from options like a grid product gallery, a slider product gallery, or even a related products section, depending on how you want your store to look and function. Simply drag your chosen store element onto your website, and Wix will automatically create a store page for you. From there, you can customize the layout and start adding your products to fill up your new online shop. And that's it. You've successfully added a store to your Wix Studio website, and now you're ready to start selling online. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.